I've been hearing two words everywhere lately. Not always out loud. Sometimes it's in the silence between what people say, in the way a voice catches when someone's trying to sound okay, in the messages I get, in the conversations I have, in the exhaustion behind perfectly functional days. Make it stop. The hurting, their own pain, the pain of watching someone they love struggle, the weight of living through a time that seems to be pressing down on everyone, everywhere, all at once. I know this from the inside, not theoretically. I walked through childhood poverty, incest, addiction, chronic illness, betrayal in business and in my most personal relationships. I didn't study suffering, I was forged in it. And the 3 decades of work that I've done since then with myself and with thousands of other people came after. So when I tell you what I found, I want you to know it wasn't found in a book. It was found in the wreckage and then slowly, painstakingly in the rebuilding. Here's what I found. The suffering doesn't come from what you lack. It comes from the wanting itself, from the relentless pull of desire. If I need this. If only I had that. Something is missing, which is always, always accompanied by the pain of absence. You cannot want something without simultaneously feeling that you don't have it. That's not a character flaw. That's the mechanics of wanting. And here's why that matters. Every strategy aimed at stopping the pain, numbing, chasing, fixing, reframing, powering through is aimed at the wrong target because the pain isn't coming from the circumstances. It's coming from the mechanism beneath the circumstances. Until you see that mechanism, the cycle repeats. You feel better for a while, and then the wanting resurfaces. Then the pain comes back with it. I know because I've lived in that cycle for years. I tried everything. Some of it helped temporarily. Nothing touched the root. What changed for me and what I've watched change for the people I've worked with wasn't a new strategy. It wasn't anything that you could give them from the outside. It was this, a new understanding. When I finally saw where the suffering was actually coming from, the war with my own pain ended. Not because I forced it quiet, not because I got everything I wanted, because I understood what was driving it. I don't want to tell you what it feels like on the other side. It's not that life stops being hard, it's that you stop being at war with yourself. The constant internal negotiation. Should I feel this? Why am I still feeling this? What's wrong with me? Goes quiet. You can put it down. Not because someone told you to, because you finally see clearly enough that fighting stops making sense. That's what I want to offer you. On Tuesday, March 3rd, I'm hosting a live 90-minute workshop on Zoom called How Do We Stop Hurting? In it, I'm going to walk you through where the suffering actually comes from and why it's not what most people think. When the strategies you've been using haven't been able to touch it, and why that's not your fault. And one real practice you can use right away to begin shifting your relationship to pain. We'll do this practice together, live in the room. You don't need your camera on. You don't need to talk. You just need to be there. Most people feel something shift before we're done. The investment is $47. No upsells, no surprises. Everyone who attends live receives a guided meditation to continue the work on their own. If you've been carrying more than you let on, your own pain, other people's pain, or both, this workshop is for you. The link to register is in the description below. I hope to see you there. And if this isn't the right moment, that's okay too. Trust that.